Hi, I've upgraded my AGM batteries to LFP batteries and I bought a Seplos Mason DIY kit to do this. So I thought I'd just run through what we bought and what we actually did to get the system up and running. First thing I will say is all the packaging was very good. As you can see from this battery, the insulation around the batteries was tremendous. So we got 16 305 amp hour batteries, and at 3.2 volts that's just under a kilowatt hour per battery. The main box, if you like, of the battery bank came also packaged very well, and it has a little LCD screen on the front and some really good casters. The casters are really good, but the batteries are that heavy, I suppose they have to be. To start off with, I took the cover off the main box, and inside of it found all the balance boards and some protective insulation, and we stripped everything out of the battery box. So out came the balance boards and the BMS unit. The BMS unit is really well built as well. The connections on that are really strong. It also has a Bluetooth connection on the LCD board from the BMS. So once you stripped everything out of the main box, you're left with this, and so it's a really strong box as well. So I must say the quality of the box was very good. So to start off with, I stuck in the insulating parts for the box exterior. It's just 3M sticky tape, so they go straight on. And then I started to put in the batteries into the box. Then once all 16 batteries are in the box, you put the BMS backboard on and then tighten it up so that it holds all the batteries firmly in place. Then you put the buzz bars on and also the balance boards. And then the top lid, you put in the buzz bars that go to the batteries, which connect onto the LCD screen in the BMS. It takes around about 3 hours, taking your time to get the battery all powered up. And then I had to alter all the settings in the Victron inverter and also connect up the battery to the main inverter. So that's now 15 kilowatt hours extra. No, it's not 15 kilowatt hours extra because I removed 5 kilowatt hours. So that's an extra 10 kilowatt hours on top of the original AGM batteries in kit form for the sake of 3 hours work and about £2,000. As usual, thanks for watching this quick update of how our new LFP batteries were put together and installed onto the Victron Quattro system.